Hello children, today I am going to start a new topic, farming in Palampur. In the previous session we have discussed about the general information about Palampur. In this session we are going to discuss the most important activity, that is farming in Palampur. As we all know that farming is the most important economic activity of Palampur. So the first topic is land is fixed. Land is fixed means in Palampur the land area has been not increased since 1960 under cultivation, or since 1960 there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. Farmers or farm laborers, they are totally dependent on farming for their survival. But there is a basic constant in raising farm production. This is the most important problem of the farmers of Palampur, that how can they increase the production of various food crops, because land is fixed. Since 1960 there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation, though some wasteland had been converted into cultivable land. So this is all about land is fixed. In Palampur, farming is the most important economic activity. More than 75% people are dependent on farming for their survival. There is no expansion in the land area under cultivation since 1960, though some wasteland had been converted into cultivable land. Now, the second topic is there a way one can grow more from same land? Means, how can we increase the production of various food crops from the same piece of land? When we are unable to increase the available land, cultivable land, then how can we grow more from the same piece of land? In Palampur, different crops are grown in different seasons. Actually, Palampur resembles a village of the western part of the state of UP. All cultivated land in Palampur is utilized by farmers for different crops during different season. No land is left idle. Every possible land they are using for growing different crops. During rainy season, that is Kharif season. During rainy season, which is known as Kharif season, farmers grow jowar and bajra. And these crops are used as cattle feed. Means cattle are fed on these two crops. Kharif season, the Kharif crops are followed by cultivation of potato between October to December. And in the winter season, that is Rabi season, fields are sown with wheat. Means during this season, cultivation of wheat is done by the farmers of Palampur. Now, whatever is produced by these farmers, after meeting their own requirement, the surplus wheat is sold in the market of Raiganj. A part of the land is also devoted to the cultivation of sugarcane. which is harvested once in a year. Now, here arises a question. Farmers of Palampur are able to take 3 crops in a year. How they are able to take 3 crops during the year? This is mainly because of the well-developed system of irrigation. That's why they are able to grow 3 different crops in a year. And irrigation is possible because of electricity, which came early to the village Palampur. And with the help of electricity, the old Persian wheels were replaced by pumps. Persian wheels were used by the farmers to draw water from the wells and irrigate small fields. But as soon as the electricity reached in the village Palampur, they have started electric run tube wells, which could irrigate much larger areas of land more effectively. And what is the impact of this? The cultivable land has increased by 200 hectares by 1970. As a result of electricity, by mid-1970s, the entire cultivated area of 200 hectares was irrigated. So, this is how the farmers of Palampur are able to cultivate the land throughout the year. Okay, so just revise these 2 topics. Land is fixed in Palampur. The land area has not been increased since 1960. Though some of the wasteland had been converted into cultivable land, they grow different crops in Kharif season, Rabi season, and in between these 2 seasons they also grow potatoes, and some piece of land is also cultivated for sugarcane. This is all for this session. In the next session, we will discuss different types of farming by which we can grow the production of crops. Thank you.